Morning to all of you. Today we are going to prove the midpoint theorem by paper folding method. First of all, take a triangle, any size. No restriction about the length of sides. No restriction about its angles. So first of all, take two vertices, one on other, and just you fold to get the midpoint of this side. Also, two vertices, one on another, and fold it to get the midpoint of this side. By similar process, just two vertices together, one on the other, and we can get the midpoint of these sides. Now, these two are midpoint of these two sides. First of all, join this by using scale. Join this by using scale. Join this by using scale. Now, this all the midpoints join by using these two sides. Now, just you cut this by scissor. Now, after cutting, we have got this piece of paper, जो we have taken from here. We have taken from here, and we get it. Now, you see, if we put this triangle on this one, then these two angles coincide. These two angles coincide. These two angles coincide. But these are corresponding angles. When two corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Therefore, this parallel to this one. We have taken this side. You see this one. This angle is equal to this angle because it is completely overlap on this one. So I can say these two are parallel to each other because corresponding angles are equal. Also, if we take this one here, then also it is overlap to one another. That means this two length is double of these two length. Double of these two length. So I can say this length of this is half of this. Length of this is half of this. So we have got by paper folding method that if we join the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle, then it is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. We can prove this side also. We can prove this side also. From any side, it is always true. Okay. Now we are going to show this by activity. This by activity. It is paper folding. Now see activity. Be ready for activity. Now whatever we have shown by paper folding, just we are pasting this on a piece of paper. This triangle and this triangle we have pasted here. Completely one is superposed on the other. That means these two angles are equal. Therefore, these are corresponding angles. So this parallel to this. And also, since it is midpoint, therefore I can say this length is equal to this length. So I can say that this length is half of this length. So by activity, we prove the midpoint theorem. Activity, we prove the midpoint theorem that line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. No restriction about the size of the triangle, about the measurement of angles. So it can be proved for any type of triangles. Thank you.